Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. You got a lot of backlight going on. Can't really do much about that, but I think you'll get the idea. I wanted to show you how I set up a mount for my smartphone. It's called a vent mount. The company is usc-c, S-H-E. I paid for it, but I'm going to give them a plug anyway because I think they're a pretty good company. They make pretty good products. This is a little bit. It's on. It has a swivel on it. Let me show you. I'll pull it off. It just sticks onto the vent with that rubber, tight rubber thing, and it also has a ball mount to rotate it around. So that goes in your vent. And then what I've done for my hookup, I've got a splitter. I'm not going to plug this. It's just a splitter. That's a usb-c, which is what my phone, which I'm videotaping with right now. My phone is a Pixel phone, so it has a USB-C outlet on it, and it only has one outlet. So what you have to do with USB-C is split that outlet into the red is the audio, I believe, and the black is power. So my smartphone can have charging power going on and also output audio. So I've got these little rubber things. They're pretty common. They've got 3M sticky, two-sided sticky on the other side. So I put some of those to neaten up the cords. So they go into my console, which is where my connections are. There's the USB power on the Siggy lighter, right? And on the other end of the console, there's the audio right there. So just wanted to show you that little thing. I've been meaning to do it for a few months, and I've been busy, but now I've got time to do it. So I neatened up the wiring that I have to use. Now, let me also tell you that there is a kit on Corvette forum so that you can run Bluetooth from your Bluetooth phone, which I'm pointing at right now with my finger, to the car. And it adds, so this has Bluetooth for telephone, but it does not have Bluetooth for audio. So this is a kit that you can add Bluetooth audio, and then you don't have to have all these wires. Well, you would still have to have a wire for power, I suppose. I don't know if I'm going to bother doing that or not, just to get rid of one wire. The guy who makes the kit, he's a pretty nice guy. I've talked to him a couple times on the forum. If you want to send me one, I will do a video for you and install it on this C6Z and show you how you can have Bluetooth audio in this car. Now, the C7 Corvettes and the C8 is coming out on July 18th. Rumor has it, the mid-engined C8 Corvette. They probably already have Bluetooth audio. I'm going to guess that they probably ought to have it, but the C6 did not have it. So you could add this guy's kit and do that, or you can do what I did. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and be safe, have fun. If you subscribe and you want notifications of my videos, then click that little bell next to the subscribe and you'll get notifications. Okay, see you. Froggy out. Bye-bye.